Hey there! Welcome back to AI Money Multiplier. Have you heard the buzz about ChatGPT? It's like a goldmine of possibilities, and trust me, you won't want to miss out. Sam Altman, the genius CEO of OpenAI, has confirmed it. The era of making money with ease is right here, right now. Can you believe that in less than a week, over 1 million users have jumped on board this AI-powered chatbot train? If you're still watching this without diving into ChatGPT, you might be leaving your golden ticket on the table. This cutting-edge technology opens up a world of effortless online income, and I'm about to spill the beans on 5 strategies to rake in those sweet bucks. And here's the cherry on top: 0 experiences required. Just copy, paste, and watch those dollars roll in. We're talking $20 to $100 a day or even more without breaking a sweat. Hold on to your seats because I'm about to take you on a whirlwind tour through ChatGPT's power-packed potential. But hey, before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that like button and smash that subscribe for future videos. You won't want to miss out on the goldmine of information we're dishing out. Now, if ChatGPT is still new to you, no worries. I'm here to break it down like your personal AI tour guide. Think of ChatGPT as your very own creative powerhouse. It can whip up essays faster than you can say ChatGPT. And yes, it can even summarize books in a single click. Now imagine this. You're hustling to write a killer article, but your mind is drawing a blank and you can't think of how to start. Don't worry. ChatGPT's got your back. It's like a brainstorming session on steroids. For instance, just type in your article's subject, ask the chatbot for options, and watch ideas pop like fireworks. And wait, there's more. ChatGPT can also smash through all of the language barriers. Translation is a breeze with ChatGPT. Just copy, paste, and let the chatbot work its multilingual magic. Whether it's Chinese, French, or any language under the sun, ChatGPT's got you covered. Oh, and the best part? Turning this brilliance into moolah. Ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur? Hit up platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or better yet, build your own empire with a killer website. Let's start with a little background. ChatGPT is an abbreviation for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, an AI-driven chatbot. This integrated AI bot generates text by responding to written prompts using an advanced and distinctive methodology. The AI-powered chatbot's capabilities are extraordinary. It can craft essays within moments and condense entire books into a single click. The potential is truly remarkable. To experience it firsthand, you can navigate to chat.openai.com and log in, leading you to the following interface. Here you'll encounter various options to experiment with. On the left-hand side, there's the option to switch between dark and light themes. The central element is the chatbot interface where the magic unfolds. It operates just like a conversation with a friend. Simply type your input. For instance, if we input the query, "Can you summarize the book, The Psychology of Money?" The AI promptly produces a comprehensive response with a mere click. But the capabilities don't end there. The dialogue can be extended. For example, you can instruct the chatbot to provide the top 3 ideas from the book. By typing, "Give me the top 3 ideas from the book," you will receive an answer in seconds, sparing you from extensive research. It's difficult to overstate the potency of this tool. I'm convinced that ChatGPT has the potential to evolve into the equivalent of Google in the future. Feel free to share your perspective in the comments. We can delve into the first method of generating income online through ChatGPT: selling blog posts and articles. Imagine you receive a request to compose an article about the most effective online money-making strategies. The procedure involves heading to ChatGPT and employing AI technology to draft the article. The key lies in imaginative prompts. One approach is to segment the task into distinct phases, beginning with the article's title and then transitioning to the core content. Precision is essential for yielding top-notch outcomes. The second method involves the sale of brand names. If you're in the process of conceiving a brand name for a car company, you can engage the chatbot to propose name options for a car brand. As evident, you're now presented with several ideas, even accompanied by concise descriptions. Remember, there's no necessity to duplicate the provided responses verbatim. Instead, you can leverage the chatbot to expedite the idea generation process or derive inspiration swiftly. Moving on to the third avenue for capitalizing on ChatGPT's potential is translation services. Are you in need of swift and accurate text translation? No worries, I've got you covered. Here's the deal. Just copy the text, head back to ChatGPT, and instruct the chatbot to translate it into your desired language. Let's say, for instance, you opt for Spanish, and it's like magic. You've now got a fully translated text ready for monetization within seconds. Now you might be wondering where to discover potential clients to offer these translation services. Well, it's as simple as this. You've got two enticing options right at your fingertips. Option 1 involves tapping into well-known freelance hubs such as Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and more. Alternatively, you can choose Option 2. Create your very own website and employ diverse methods like paid advertisements to attract clients. Now let's delve into the fourth method that ChatGPT offers for generating income, by providing compelling product description writing services. For instance, imagine you're tasked with crafting an engaging description for an Amazon-listed product. The process is as simple as this. Copy the link to the product, return to ChatGPT, and follow these steps. Start by typing "product" and pasting the name of the product. Then, designate the action you want, such as composing 5 Amazon-optimized bullet points that lucidly detail the features and benefits of each attribute. You can then fine-tune the tone, perhaps choosing a persuasive approach. And now, let the enchantment begin. Witness the magic unfold. In no time, you'll have a meticulously crafted product description tailored for Amazon's platform, all without having to type a single word yourself. It's truly a revelation, isn't it? The power of this tool is astounding. Proceeding to the fifth and final method involves writing video scripts. A glance at Fiverr reveals numerous accomplished vendors offering this service. Notably, a top-rated seller boasts over 1,800 reviews, signifying robust demand for this service. Here's what follows. Navigate to ChatGPT, select the action to compose a video script, initiate the dialogue, and upon completion, copy and paste the script for delivery and payment. These approaches represent straightforward techniques to initiate earnings through ChatGPT. However, the potential for innovation is vast, enabling the provision of more intricate services. If you desire additional methods of generating income using ChatGPT, kindly share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video valuable, a like and subscription would be greatly appreciated, supporting the creation of more informative content. That's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Go do great things. Drop me a note in the comments on which method you think you will try.